moments when you just feel pretty? Having that moment right now. Please do not disturb. Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am pretty. I am Prajakta, just kidding, but I like the first name too. But before we begin, I want you guys to know that there are two very important announcements that will be revealed at the end of the video, so don't go anywhere. You and me today are going to be talking about something that has been happening to us young human beings for a very long time. Okay, get this, one of those days when you have a day off, okay, you don't have school, you don't have college, you don't have to go to work, all you want to do is spend the whole day doing nothing. But your mom enters your room and she's like, hey, chalo get ready, we have to go to Manju auntie's daughter's wedding. Mom, do I of course you have to. What do you mean you don't have to? Just get up, okay? Just awkward family reunions. These might look very simple to the naked eye, but when you look at it properly, it's like it's a process. It starts from some place, ends at some place, and the middle is just horrible. It's that awkward. Step number 1. Your parents are gonna do everything in their power to convince you. They know how to get things done. They have a lot of tools. First, they're gonna try it with excessive love. Beta, come no. Everyone wants to see you. You should wear the new dress we got you. Come on. No. Then they'll try to blackmail you. Haha, why will you come with us? Itni bar you ask me, mom, can I go here? Mom, can I go there? Do I ever say no? No. But I ask you once and it's too boring for you to hang out with us. That didn't break you? That's fine. They've got more. They'll bribe you. Beta, come to this event with us and I will get you that dress you wanted from Forever 21. Hurry, come. There's non-vegetarian food there. I'll take you to the ice cream place later. Come, get ready. Okay, I'll come. If the love, the blackmail and the bribe don't work, there's always this one weapon that never goes wrong. Get ready, we're waiting in the car. Once you go there, they expect you to recognize everybody. Arey beta, you recognize auntie, no? Auntie from auntie, you know that she recognizes you, Henna, you recognize her, no? She gave you a gold chain at your naming ceremony. You even smiled at her from the cradle. You should socialize more. She recognizes you. Useless. How old was I? 2 months old. Okay, after you have scratched and done all of that to your brain to remember who that auntie was, it's their turn to recognize you. And somehow they never forget. You scan people as they go past you and just remember them for the rest of your life. Okay, now that they recognize you, they're going to do the next thing. State the obvious. Your daughter? No, I picked her up on the street. I don't know her. She's grown so much, no? She will have a choice. She looks just like you. Oh, thank God. She was so tiny last time I saw her. Wasn't that 1999? Oh yeah, your hair has grown so long. Yeah, blame it on gravity. Moving on. After this is done, you go ahead and you meet the host and the hostess of whoever's wedding, reception, funeral, whatever it is. I'm sorry, don't hate me. And you click all of those awkward pictures like... Unless there's a photo booth and your mom sees it. No! Never mind. So after all of that is done and you've eaten your food and you didn't get non-vegetarian food in the buffet, and that's when the clan of aunties come ahead and sit with your mom. What do they do next? They hook you up. Archana, how old is she? She's just turning 22 this year. Nice. Does she cook? Yeah, she does. Henna, you do now? Yeah, she does. What has she studied? She just did her graduation now and she doesn't want to study anymore. She wants to do YouTube. Marry her off. Get her married. She looks old. Marry her off. Looks? Looks old? You marry a girl off because she looks old? When did you get married, huh? At the age of 2? So after several hours have passed and you have died like gazillion times in that banquet hall, and after tugging at your mom's dupatta like, Mama, let's go. And then you step into the car and then happens the post-event car evaluation session. Did you see what Mosiji was wearing? That gaudy set, oh God. Did you compliment her on the set? Did you see the car they were driving? New Mercedes. What else will they do with all that black money that comes in their house? Reena's daughter thinks she's Maud. Someone should go and tell her she looks like someone possessed her. Mom, you told Reena auntie's daughter she should try for Miss India. Yeah, I did. It'll be fun if she tries though. So let me get this straight. Parents hate those functions and the people in those functions just as much as we do. Am I missing out on something here? Speaking of awkward family reunions, I am traveling traveling to Jaipur today. And it's not the function that's got me excited. I love that city. I love Jaipur so much. And I'm going to try and vlog in Jaipur this time. So that's one thing. I might put up my first vlog. Big announcement. Next big thing is that I'm really happy that you are happy too with the reacting to comments video. And you guys got as excited as I did. So yay! You guys are the best. So I thought, why not take it a step forward? So here's what you've got to do. Okay, so we're gonna do a hashtag Ask Prajakta on my Facebook and my Instagram. For that, you need to like both those pages. The links are in the description below. You can ask me anything you want to with the hashtag Prajakta. Some questions from Facebook, others from Instagram, and of course, I'll be replying to the comments too. So yay, let's do this. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button without forgetting and don't forget I come up with new videos every Thursday. So until we meet next Thursday, love.